Oh, very windy. Hey guys, it's been a hell of a week. We've been off-roading. We've been water crossing. This car has been muddy. We have even crashed a drone. We've had the Melbourne show. And we are here with the Melbourne background next to the ocean because the naming convention of BYD is like BYD Shark, sea lion. It is those creatures for the sea. Let's dive deep and have a look at what we've actually done to the car. So on the front here, we do have the King Series bull bar. This bull bar does accommodate all the original sensors and sonars. We do have a sonar through here, the middle one's over here under that Hammer logo, and obviously on the driver's side as well. On top of that, this bar comes standard with the daytime running indicator and that fog light. You do get the 3.5 ton rated recovery points, and you do have an option for a 2-piece underbody or a 3-piece underbody as well. Now, for this one, we actually put on our luminous lights. We do have the 9-inch and the 7-inch available. Now these lights, you have an option. You have the white light or an amber daytime running light. So through the Hammer logo name, the front and the sides, you can choose a white or amber. Now this bull bar is ADR approved, airbag compliant and crash tested. This car has been lifted. We've done the Hammer red springs. It does have an extra 1.5-inch lift. Now with that, we have changed the wheels and tires. We've gone with the Methods on some all-terrain Falcons. Now with the side steps, we've taken off the original side steps. We've gone with the Hammer Shadow side steps just to complete that whole overall look and have that more aggressive styling. So we are getting a lot more attention for our roof racks for the BYD Shark. The show was really popular. A lot of people ask questions about it. A lot of people want to do roof racks. We do have to remove those original rails that you do have on the Shark. And we do put our flat rack on there, which does come standard with the wind deflector. We do have extra options, and we are making more and more for this car or any of our roof racks. We do have our handle as well available. So we have removed the original rear bar from the BYD. We've changed it. We've gone with the Hammer Nova series rear bar. It does have these reverse lights. They are work lights, and when you put it into reverse, they do turn on. Comes standard with a tow ball and hitch, can relocate that trailer plug, and it also does have the provisions for those sonars on the driver and passenger side. So all works normally and accommodates those sensors as well. Now we have fitted the Hammer auto roller at the back. It does complete that tub, can use a remote, can use the buttons, and you do have the app. It does finish it off nicely, nice and sleek, and you do have the light inside as well. So there we have it. This is how we have built this BYD Shark. We do have other videos and other builds. We do like to build cars the way you want it done and how you want to build your own car. Go check out those videos and the off-roading videos. We will be doing more to this vehicle, and we will be changing up as well. So stay tuned. We will be putting more content out there.